The roadmap is that invest in your skills. If you are investing in your skills, that is going to help you, that is going to give you the things after the particular time period. अगर अभी आप पैसा लगाते हो अपने skills में, तो it is not wastage of money, ठीक है? It is going to give you the return in future, ठीक है? Targeted certifications, लाइन नहीं लगानी सर्टिफिकेशंस की, ऐसे नहीं कि दुनिया भर के सर्टिफिकेशंस लेके बैठ गए, काम का एक भी नहीं. टारगेट विच सर्टिफिकेशन इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू एंड जस्ट टेक दैट सर्टिफिकेशंस ओनली, ठीक है? लिवरेज कनेक्शंस, एक्टिवली सीक इंटर्नशिप, मेंटरशिप्स, ठीक है? लोगों से बातें करो, सोशलाइज हो, जितना सीख सकते हो उतना ज्यादा लिवरेज लो, ठीक है? बट whosoever your seniors are there, whosoever your guides are there, take the leverage, take the advantage of your experience, ठीक है? Stay adaptable, be prepared your mind, prepared yourself, be emotional intelligent, that anything happen you will going to adapt that thing. This is how you can prepare yourself for the future careers, ठीक है? So you all can say that now nowadays competition have been increased. मैं आपको पहले भी कई बार बता रही हूँ that if you see that कि you are not the only person who are doing the BE. There are many students. अगर आप अपने कॉलेज में देखोगे तो you have 5 sections, ठीक है? In your batch, ठीक है? आपके सीनियर्स जो करके गए there are 6 sections, ठीक है? Then the juniors are also there. So there are multiple students and then multiplied to the colleges, multiplied to the university inside that you cannot able to express, ठीक है? So if you have done a course in the communication, by seeing the person, by reading his or her face, by reading his or her expression, you can judge that what the people are thinking about, ठीक है? वो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड है, सेटिस्फाइड है, इरिटेटेड है, स्ट्रेस्ड आउट है, किसी दो के बीच में कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है, जरूरी नहीं कि सब चीज बोलने से ही समझ आता, ठीक है? बट इफ यू हैव दैट मच ऑफ रेडीनेस और इफ यू हैव दैट मच ऑफ एजुकेशन कि आप लोगों को देख के समझ आते हो कि हाँ इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ ना कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है, ये पर्सन बहुत इरिटेटेड है, इसको समझाऊंगा तो ये बहुत मोटिवेटेड है, ये इजीली समझ जाएगा या समझ जाएगी, ठीक है? इफ आई से दैट पर्सन वो बहुत ही स्टबर्न है, आई हैव टू मेक हिम और हर वेरी इन्फ्लुएंस, सो मोटिवेटेड, देन ओनली ही और शी विल वर्क, ठीक है? That is the role of chief of staff, that is to provide a communication between the team and the management so that there can be a cordial relationship between them and the work can be done easily. Then what is next is the next career path is data scientist manager. Data scientist manager are those who are in the research, those who are doing the analytics, because every day the company has to do the research. जहाँ वो outdated, जहाँ उन्होंने research छोड़ दी वहाँ वो outdated है, ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि साल में एक बार रिसर्च कर लोगे तो आप मेंटेन रहोगे या 5 साल में एक रिसर्च कर लोगे, नहीं. यू हैव टू कॉन्टिन्यूअसली डू द रिसर्च. अब अगर हम शेयर मार्केट की बात करें तो क्या 6 में अगर हफ्ते में एक बार शायद शेयर्स का प्राइसेस देखोगे तो शेयर मार्केट में जो ब्रोकर्स बैठे हैं या जो पैसे लगा रहे हैं, दे कैन अर्न प्रॉफिट. दे हैव टू लुक आफ्टर डेली, क्या आज क्या प्राइस चल रहा है, आज कितना अबव दिया, अगले दिन हम क्या प्रेडिक्शन हो सकती है, ठीक है? तो सिमिलरली द कंपनीज हैव टू डू that every day they have to look after their competitors, the market, that what new they have come, because every day the people are coming up with the new schemes, new offers, new things. आज आपने एक फोन लिया, आप घर आए, अगले दिन पता चला वो फोन के ऊपर एक और अपडेटेड ब्रांड आ, अपडेटेड वर्जन आ, ठीक है? That is basically a data scientist manager. That's those who are doing the analytics and they are doing the analytics on a daily basis. ठीक है? This is also one of the trending job these days are going on, that you can do that, you can after your graduate management studies. Then marketing manager, again the person who is doing the marketing, that is very important, ठीक है? Marketing manager is one of the job जो पहले भी बहुत फेमस थी और आज भी बहुत फेमस और आने वाले टाइम में भी बहुत फेमस. It is something which never going to be outdated, because every company, either you are running a small shop in your local area or you are running a MNC in a international brand, ठीक है? Everyone need a market, everyone need to have a competitive advantage, and the person, those who are doing the marketing campaigns, those who are preparing advertisement, those who are in the marketing, they can provide the benefits to the business, either again a small shop or a big MNC. ठीक है? So these are the some trending jobs which is going on for the management graduates, that you can graduation or post graduation that you can choose on. ठीक है. Then high growth and high paying roles. Then what are the jobs which getting a higher pay and which are the high growth? That they are going to increase day by day. Their importance are going to increase day by day. Financial manager, those who are looking after financial health. ठीक है. Again, the company cannot run without the finance. ठीक है. Then your project manager, those who are coming with the new projects and with the budget constraints. That in a limited budget, in a limited time, they are doing a better projects. They are coming up with a better idea. ठीक है. Management consultant, those who are providing the solutions to the complex problems, because companies having a problems every day. ठीक है. You being a management consultant, your work is that problem आए उससे पहले आप solution के साथ ready. आपने सुना भी होगा, being a management graduate, some faculty, few people say that don't come up with a problem, come up with a solution. Problem है वो तो हमें पता है, it is there. We also know that ये problem तो है, but what is the solution then? You are a management graduate, you are a BBA person, you are studying BBA, then you are going to study MBA, then you are going to do a job or a business. Don't come up with a problem, ना? वो तो हमें पता ही है कि ये problem है. अब इसका solution क्या हो सकता है ये बताओ. ठीक है. And those who are doing coming up with a solution along with the problem, that person have a more importance rather than those who are continuously creeping on the problem. ठीक है. Then digital marketing manager, again that is things that if your marketing manager, अभी मैंने आपको बताया, that is someone who is never going to be outdated. Then as we come to the digital marketing, that again internet is going to be increased in the coming times. It is not going to be decreased. ठीक है. Lakhs of students, those who are doing the BBA. ठीक है. And this is just about the BBA that we are talking about. But if we talk about the graduation course, then you will find a crores of students who are doing the graduation course. ठीक है. So there are a lot of demand in the market. You cannot say that you are the only one that those who are doing the BBA. Earlier अगर आप 15 साल पहले, 10 साल पहले या 20 साल पहले देखोगे तो हाँ BBA की ग्रेजुएशन की बहुत वैल्यू होती थी, बिकॉज बहुत रेयर स्टूडेंट्स वर डूइंग द ग्रेजुएशन. ठीक है. एंड इफ वी सी दैट पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन तो और भी बेयर मिनिमम हो जाते थे दोज हु आर डूइंग द पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन. If we talk about then further studies about the PhD, then there were hardly 1 and 2 those who are doing the PhD, and those who are doing the PhD, those who are doctorate, we see them like, oh my God, they are doctorate, oh my God, they have done PhD. Okay? But if we see nowadays, many people are doing that. You will find a lot of people, those who are doctorate, those who are doing the PhD, either they are in the education field or not. Okay? If they are in a profession also, they are doing the job also, then also they are doing the PhD just because they want to do the research. They have an interest in the research. Okay? Either they are an advocate, then still they are doing the PhD. Either they are practicing their advocacy, they are the judge or somewhere. Okay? But still they are doing the PhD to research. Okay? So nowadays, every 2 to 3% you can find that if we talk about there are 100 people, out of 100 there are 80% people those who are doing the PhD, those who are doctorate. So if we are talking about the 80% people who do the PhD, then graduation and post graduation तो ऐसी चीजें तो सभी कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. कोई भी आपको ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जिसने ग्रेजुएशन ना कर रखी हो, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन ना कर रखी, चाहे वो SOL से करे, ओपन से करे, चाहे वो रेगुलर करे, दैट डिपेंड्स. ठीक है. So the demand has been increased in the professional studies. Lot of people are becoming advocates, doctors, they are becoming CA. ठीक है. So and the roles are evolving. Earlier it was just only a traditional role that you are going for a job, you are doing a data analyst, you are doing just maintaining the accounts, or you are just doing that things. But nowadays it's not about the traditional roles now. You have to be a market oriented. Either you are in a research or not, still you have to do a market research regular basis कि market में चल क्या रहा है. अभी अगर आप बात करो, you are just in a final semester, 5th semester of your BBA. ठीक है. But still market में देखते हो ना कि कौन सा कोर्स इवैल्यूएटिंग, कौन सा चल रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है, क्या emerging roles आ रहे हैं. अगर हम इंटरव्यू देने जाएंगे तो ऐसे कौन से की पॉइंट्स होंगे जो हम बोलेंगे so that the interviewer will get that कि हाँ हमें कुछ अलग है. ठीक है. कुछ ना कुछ रिसर्च करते रहते हो ना अपने बेसिस पे, चाहे सोशल मीडिया एप्स चला के करो या किसी भी तरह क्या करो, बट स्टिल यू आर डूइंग अ रिसर्च कि मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है, कौन से कोर्सेज है जो ट्रेंडिंग है, ठीक है। अगर हम देखें तो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग वाज ट्रेंडिंग, बट नाउ अ डेज इट बिकम्स वॉर्स,